Good morning, everybody. It's your girl Tiger here. Coming to y'all today with another house cleaning video because that's what I'll be doing, and there's a lot of stuff in here that needs to be done. Let me show y'all how I got my curtains right now. So I have my curtains like tied, kind of like in a loose tie, instead of hanging down because, as y'all can see, like on the bottom of the floor is my heating baseboards, and it will burn this sheer material, as you can see from like one of my shears. Look a little brown right there. That's from the heat. So I got them up because I have the heat on right now because it's kind of chilly today. When I don't have the heat on, I have them down, but the heat is on, so I have them up. Yeah, so I gotta make my bed. I gotta put these clean sheets on my bed. Everything. So I gotta make the bed. I need to take a shower before I get started. You know, I just feel like I want to shower right now. Yeah, but I got laundry to fold. I got stuff to wash or either put away. I gotta clean these nightstands, clean off this refrigerator, take these pictures off of this refrigerator, wipe it down so I can post it, so I can sell it, because I'm so over this refrigerator being in my room. Yeah, y'all. I want my room to be how I want it to be, and it's too much stuff in here right now because my other apartment didn't give you a refrigerator and stove, and I had to buy this one from Walmart.com. It's not even a year old. It's not huge, as you can see. Like it go up to like my. Let me show you. It go to right here. Yeah, so I need to sell this. There's nothing wrong with it. It's pretty much brand new. I've had it less than a year. Yeah, and it's black and like stainless steel. And it works really well. I just got one of my son's pictures on there right now, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's what I gotta do in the room, and then I gotta do this closet out here, this closet outside of the bathroom, because all of that stuff needs to be organized, baby. I had cleaned out the closet, did this part and everything, so it's just starting to get messy, like over here. Yeah, I gotta do that. As far as the living room, my living room don't really get too messy. I gotta clean off that TV. I already cleaned the table. Yeah, and I have the heat on from the fireplace. Sprinkles, be quiet. I have the heat on from the fireplace, not the baseboard heat, so I don't have to worry about these curtains being down or whatever. And yeah, did the dishes already. I gotta like tidy up the stove, probably mop, because the floor's not really dirty, but I probably mop it anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna start this out with getting in the shower.
Waiting for the salmon to cook. It is a sauce that goes with it. So, do I have soy sauce? I do. Soy sauce, boom. Lemon juice, boom. And honey, which is really simple. So we're gonna make this sauce real quick because I don't know. I like the chili sauce. So kind of boom. And then we're gonna make the rice and the green food. And then I'm just gonna get back to y'all when I'm done. So yeah, I will see y'all when I cook this. I'm not gonna lie. I know how to make me some salmon. Let me show y'all. You see that? Oh, fix the kid. Awesome. Don't see that? Delicious. I'm doing it right now. I'm sorry, everybody go get some off the top. Well, you can't get them. You can't get them, baby. Yummy. Yo, you don't know how to cook. Like, if you told me a year ago today that I would be literally meal prepping something, cooking, pepperoni, I would say you're lying and you need help. But I'm actually getting the hang of it. It's like just throw people in today. Y'all for this. No, I'm playing, but I'm actually very tired. I'm fighting to keep my eyes up. Open right now. It's 4 o'clock. Yeah, but I'm gonna make this up tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna record it or just do it behind the scenes and do something different tomorrow. Probably the second one, but I get started. Get this one still out. Here y'all. drink. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's been a blast. Yeah, I love y'all. Good night.
Right.
It's also an enhancement of what is happening in your body. And that is why top health leaders, Dr. Jeremy London, are all behind Function Health.